Welcome back. So we wrapped up on this beautiful 2019 Tidewater. Now this 25-foot vessel went completely under a complete restoration package, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. So we did a lot of gel coat repair on this work, the keel, the side of the boat where the owner hit it down in Bimini. It was all cracked up, the actual caulk was messed up, the fiberglass had to be completely ground out. Around the swim ladder platform, it was cracked. The other side had a couple cracks on it. Every bit of that was completely repaired along with the keel. Moving on from that, we did our complete interior and exterior restoration package on this entire vessel, including all the powder coat on it. So the entire T-top was completely polished, every box was polished, every single crack and crevice on this entire boat was completely done. Moving on to the exterior, the entire exterior of this vessel was completely restored. Now, whenever we restored it, after we finished it, we wrapped this entire boat in our marine protection film, so it's going to stay looking brand new for many, many, many years. Aside from that, we also added our OEM Tidewater emblems. We got them straight from Tidewater on top of the film, so you can't even see where we did our installation. Now, on top of the film, we also coated the entire vessel top to bottom on the entire boat, motors, full interior. Everything has been done to this boat. So enjoy this video, check it out, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.